All right, folks, so it's another weird year. I'm out with the surgery. I am Mr. Esmond. Okay. Um, Physics. So, what's this year involved, right? So, the first day, we need to probably go over a syllabus. That's fine. You can go over it. Turn your stuff in on time. Make sure it's not late. You should have plenty of time to get stuff done. You will have notes. We'll have videos by me here. You'll have notes off of PowerPoint. You'll have example problem sheets and some extra reference material that you could then write down the example problems. And then also other sheets, other worksheets, whatever you want to call them, problem sheets, that would be the homework and maybe some other things. For this first part that I'm out, I'm not sure how labs are going to work. It may be that you don't do much, and then when I get back, we really do a bunch of lab work, okay? But we are going to do it because hands-on physics is, I would say, the most fun, all right? I had somebody say to me before about taking physics, oh, you get to play with toys. It's kind of true. And I did say before, right, I didn't have my Spider-Man 4x4 down here, which I kind of like to act like I'm driving around sometimes. But anyway, the materials that you'll need, you should have a 3-ring binder. You have a lot of handouts and different stuff like that. Calculator, right? It doesn't have to be graphing calculator, but it has to be scientific. It just makes sense for this class. And technically, we're going to have the book. The books typically stay in class. If you want to take one, that's fine. Just sign out that you took it, or just tell somebody so they can write down your name. And there is an online book that I also recommend that we would normally use if I was here from the beginning. And I know people don't look at books. I have a hard time with that too. But if you want another reference besides the purple physics book, it's called OpenStax. STAX, OpenStax, College Physics. It's not a college physics book. You get the algebra-based one. Is there two? One's calc and one's algebra. So you get the algebra-based one. And it's I think it's an okay physics book. I think it's better than what we have. Okay, it gives a lot of explanation. You can download it as a PDF, so it's not like you have to buy it, and it's perfectly free. OpenStax offers everything free. It's kind of like open source. Is that what you would call it? Open source. So I have a former student here recording all of his stuff. We have our light board here. I don't know if you could see it. You probably can't see it, but this light board that the videos will be written on. Yeah, that's pretty much it, right? It's not how I wanted to start the school year. I was hoping that this would be all completed by the time I came back of the surgery that I'm having, a major back surgery again. But it's just not the way it worked out. So we're going to make the best of it. Like I said, you'll have a lot of different worksheets and reference materials. I recommend that you read the book. I understand that it's difficult to do. Okay? So I get it. Make sure you ask questions in class. If anything, I could always end up answering them too, and we can maybe get into that a little bit later.